Okay.
That's one of them.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, I'm look interested in this. Ooh, the guy said he got one for like 6,000. So I'm just checking it out and talking to him and see what he could do. You know, get some bees out here. But I'll be back with y'all. You guys, I had to show y'all this. This is beautiful. Look at them in the grass. They're tired. Hey guys, you guys are tired? Oh, look at that. Stuff like this, I'll be like, why complain, girl? We got it made. What are you complaining about? We have it made. Y'all, this is a whole nother day. I'm just gonna throw it into this vlog. I'll see y'all in another one. Bye. Keep on pushing. Got you. The big bucks are out, y'all. And they will whoop your ass. Look at him. Bye, buddy. I ain't the one. I will get you. I will snipe you. No, let me stop. Oh my God, look, y'all. He looking for some tail, honey. Hello, beautiful people. So y'all, I have these little stems here. Actually, I bought these from the thrift store. 22 cents for this. And it has like blooms here. Has like a mauve, I guess that would be burgundy. And these will be like a mauve. It's only like 3 of them. I think they're so nice. So I'm gonna place them. I've done a few changes here in the home and I'm gonna show you right now. So I did opt out to put these balls back in the vase here. So pretty soon I will be able to place the bowl on top of just one of these books because I'm gonna do this as a giveaway. I also bought this back into the space and this is where we're gonna add our beautiful foliage here. I like it because it's just so whimsical. It's like very minimalist, not doing too much. And as you can see, it's very, very minimalist, which I really, really like. Really flows with the area. Not doing too much. Hopefully I can always put more pieces of something else on there. But I really, really like that. I think that's really nice. And guys, I also added this vase to this piece. I wanted to put something else in here, but I just said I just opt out for just this. I think that looks better over here than the one I just showed you. And then I put this big vessel bowl right here with the beads because I'll show you guys in a second. Still have my book here. And guys, I added these 2 pumpkins here. I don't know if I like that, but I don't know about those. And as you can see, there is nothing else. I end up taking that shelf down, guys, because I bought that other shelf. So right here, y'all, I added these 2 beautiful black leather-like pillows in here for the simple. I actually was gonna put these in my car, okay? For the back seat for luxury. I also updated over here. I just opened up this book to show like home decor. And I also added this little thing here. Now, this is not what I found at the other place. This is actually something I found when I found that stem. This was 80 cents, y'all. So I just housed my remotes in there. And this was, the lady gave it to me for 80 cents, y'all. And I love the fact that it's made, I don't know if you guys can see it, made in France. But this is really nice to store. I think it was actually a candle holder, but yeah. So yeah, guys, very simple. I'm loving the space, and those are the only changes in here. Still have my plant babies over there. It's just that wall is clear now, you know. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Hey y'all, welcome back to my real life vlogs. I am your host, Sonia from Simply Natural Black Life. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing, hit that like button, double tap, do all the things, share the channel, do all the things, okay? So I haven't seen y'all in a minute. So I'm gonna show you the reason why I took that shelf off the wall. I'm gonna show you all what I end up finding, from TJ Maxx, okay? And y'all probably like, Sonia, you went to TJ Maxx? I thought you said you wasn't shopping. I'm not, because I'm going to tell y'all. Remember the candle? Well, I put that black, let me see. What am I trying to say? I actually took something out of the kitchen, or I swapped something out. I think I took back, oh no, I forgot, sorry. I took back those peanut containers that I was going to use for peanut containers. I didn't need that because I used the my old candle holder to place the peanut canister. I made it out of peanut canister. I'll put a clip in what it looked like or whatever. So yeah, I took that back, y'all, and I'm glad I did. So the last time I went there, when I took those back, there was this black vase. I wanted it so bad, and I didn't go and get it. But guess what? This time, when I used my card that I get for doing the what are those things called when you do the surveys? Okay, somebody asked me too about that. So you can get surveys if you are a YouTuber, or you can sign up to get surveys. I got mine through Google. So I don't get them all the time, but I do get them. So anyway, when I took those canisters back, those glass things with the wood lids, I seen this real nice black. It was very light though, similar to this, but it was smaller than this. So when I went back, I found something that was even better. It was less. It was $7.99. So you know I have to pay the difference because I think it was like I had a $5 survey coupon. I'm so glad I did because look, y'all, look what I found. So this was only $7, y'all. Look at how beautiful this is. Now it does have like a little chip right here, not a chip, but the paint is off. I'm gonna put some black marker on it. So I scored y'all $7. So I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna do with this. And like I said, I had to pay my portion, which was $2. $2. So I'm happy about that. But this is what I found, y'all. I might leave the tag on here because sometimes I just like things like that. So I found this. Okay, so this is gonna go. I will show y'all when we finish out this video. Okay, so I got this. Get a good look at it because she's absolutely beautiful. Beautiful, okay? Then while I was there, I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get something else for myself too. I'm not gonna say never, like I do buy myself stuff, but not when I see something, sometimes I'll be like, oh, Sonya, you don't need it, put it back. But sometimes it's okay. Mary, you're gonna like this. Mary Life Journey. Is it Mary Life Journey 196? Mary Life Journey. I found this warm cedar ED toilet spray. It's supposed to be for men. It says sandstone. Y'all, this was marked down. This was $6. $6. This is what it looks like. And I did Google it. And the notes are, the top notes are orange. The middle notes are pepper, vegetar, and the base notes are cedar, patchouli. Y'all know I love that. It smells so good. And the fact that it has this wood top, I love it. Wait a minute now. Okay, there we go. But that's what that looks like. So I'm going to actually spray some on today. Okay? It smells, oh my God, y'all, it smells so good. So anyway, I was in the process of making my smoothie. Let's go see right quick because I got to go. But in the meantime, we're going to set our beautiful baby right here, y'all. Where we going to put her? She's so pretty. She smells so good, so good. I'm going to put her right there. Put her right there, y'all. Okay? So let me go check on my smoothie. Y'all, here's my smoothie. I mean, it's late, but I just got home maybe like 20 minutes ago, but I wanted to make me a smoothie. I didn't have anything today but coffee, okay? This is banana, turmeric, pepper, uh, what is that? That, is it passion, dragon fruit, the one I said it smells to me, and mango. So that's what I'm gonna have right now. We're gonna see what it tastes like, okay? So yeah, I usually tend to set mine to the side so it can drip down some, so I don't lose anything. Y'all see it dripping? Looks good, doesn't it? I know it tastes good. I know it tastes good. Oh y'all, here's my new grinder, and I need that thing. Y'all know the coffee thing? Some of them had like wood ends. Some of them you put it in there and then you can pat like the coffee down. That's what I want. So let's taste this. Let's taste this. Mm. This is good. Let me get y'all outfit of the day. Let me throw my hat on, guys. Throw my hat on. So hopefully y'all can see me. Okay, this is outfit of the day. I have on this dress. Y'all see me haul this dress from that same place where I got the new shirts, and I have on those mules, those naturalizers. I absolutely love it. So this is outfit of the day. So guys, thanks for tuning in. But look, on the other end, I would like for you to keep watching because I'm going to decorate my shelf in the bedroom. So actually, I'll show y'all what it looks like now. This is so good, y'all. Get this combination. You'll thank me later. I'm actually gonna go out for a walk today. Okay, but let me show y'all. But before I show y'all that, look, y'all. Look at that. Do y'all see her? Do y'all see her? Y'all see that? Hold on, let me see y'all. Let me show y'all these roots. Y'all see the root system on there? I can't wait to. I'm gonna have to get me a flower pot, y'all. I thought I had something I can use, but I'm gonna have to get one. She's so pretty. Look, y'all. Y'all see the new growth on it right there? Oh yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait. Let's put it. So right now I have it in the bathroom. Right now, let me put that up. That's my night light. But I have it in the bathroom because it's real light in here. If y'all can see, it's very, very light in this bathroom. So, all right, y'all. Let me show y'all the shelf. So the shelf looks good, y'all, up against that black, doesn't it? It looks really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to decorate it, and y'all let me know what y'all think, okay? So hold the line, please.